横山尚可游 Handicraft Company Limited, established in 2015, is located in Kunshan City. Our company mainly produce and sell the following products: enamel pins, challenge coins, medals, keychains, belt buckles, bottle openers, AQE products, and other products. Our company covers more than 2,000 square meters areas and has more than 100 experienced employees. And we also have advanced equipment, excellent technology, professional and responsible teams. We provide products with great customer service and competitive prices, and we provide very fast production time. We have built great business relationships with customers, and we have helped many small companies to start their business from small businesses to grow into very big businesses. Our principles are integrity, professionalism, quality, and efficiency. We not only sell our products, but also do we provide great after-sale customer service. We believe that great quality and service can lead to long-term business. Our sales team is also professional. When you have questions or inquiries, send us a message directly. All inquiries will be responded in 2 hours. Our sales representative will patiently answer all your questions, and our designers are ready to offer professional artwork and design assistance 6 days a week until you are satisfied. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Please feel free to contact us at any time online, 24 hours, from concept to finished product. We are your trusted partner for custom products that reflect both artistry and precision. Welcome your cooperation and presence.